everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Taylor with an E. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, it's so glad to see you back again because I've been MIA. I know I was pretty consistent for a minute, but I don't know, quarantine just kind of got the best of me. But I wanted to come on here today to do a little impromptu video because I'm taking pictures. I have content that I need to create for this brand. So I wanted to come on here, show y'all how I take my own pictures, and yeah, show you that you could do it too, because I'm about to just be utilizing my little apartment space. I might come and do another video where it's like not so gloomy outside because today it's raining, and I'll be taking like a few pictures outside too, but weather is not permitting for me to do that right now. So I'm going to show you all how I take the pictures inside my house using these walls pretty much, and like my furniture and stuff. So really all you're gonna need is a clicker or a remote, as some people call it. I will try to find the link to a clicker and put it in my description box. However, my clicker came with my ring light. And aside from that, you're also going to need a tripod. Okay, so this is a tripod I just got from Amazon, but it also came with my ring light. And then this little piece that's going to hold your phone. All of my pictures I take with my phone. This is my cellular device. I have an iPhone 10 Max. Yeah, I think it's a 10 Max. So my phone, my clicker, and a tripod. And let me set up like my camera so I could show you. So my camera, my phone goes into this little stand just like this. I'll set it up how I want. The clicker is Bluetooth activated, and then we're ready to go. So I'm gonna set up my area where I'm gonna take pictures first, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, so this is the little area that I take my pictures in my room. It's just a plain wall, so sometimes I stand like in that corner over there, and I just have my phone and my tripod set up, focus, like this, and I just put my camera up, and then you can see me from here. So I'm going to set you guys up so you can see like a trial and error run, and I'll kind of try to talk you through it as I go along. Okay, so what I like to do is, first of all, I like to make sure, because I have a mirror in my corner so I can kind of see myself. So I just try to make sure like I am mostly eye level with my photos, because I think like that's the most flattering to me. So I get eye level, I just pose, and that's it. So there's a switch on the side of the remote, so you're gonna turn it on. The light is flashing blue, and automatically my phone connects to the Bluetooth, but you just want to go to your Bluetooth settings on your phone, find the remote, the title of the remote, and the title of the remote will come with it'll come with, what am I trying to say, the instructions. Yes, whatever the name of this little baby is called, it'll probably be on here. And it might be the same thing. This is called like AB shutter or something like that. But anyways, it's already connected to Bluetooth. I like to get in some type of angle, whether it be like putting my hand up, but I'm not gonna do that because these boobs. So I'm just gonna pose, you know, like kind of cute, hide the remote, press the button. Someone's calling me. Okay, before we were rudely interrupted, I was about to look at these pictures to see if the angle was okay. So I'll take this off and see if I can show you guys. I don't know how to do the whole side-by-side thing like people be doing that on their phone. So I'm gonna have to be ghetto and show it on here. So, this might be really difficult for y'all to see, considering that it's not gonna focus. I might try to figure out how I do it, like how to do that, because I really don't. But, okay, so I'm looking at it. Some of these, you can see my remote. Y'all can see it, kind of. Y'all can see the light. I'm sorry, I really suck at this. But you can see the remote. I don't like it. But this one picture is kind of cute, so I'm gonna heart it. Now, because my remote is, you know, showing, I'm just gonna take a few more and see how it comes out. So I'm gonna put the camera back up here. And also, I'm gonna move it just a little bit so I have more wall and not my door, not my bathroom door right here, because we're trying to get me. Ooh. Okay, so I'm back. The next set of pictures that I want to take in front of my vanity area. I'll insert a clip, but I want to do one there because it's more like lifestyle, and I'm gonna put my robe on and make it look like I'm getting ready. So I think that one will be really good. And then lastly, I want to take a picture with some White Claws and my seltzer waters, because like I said, I want to get into more lifestyle type pictures. There's actually like 3 more sets of photos that I want to take. So I think I'm gonna do a sped up process, because now that y'all know how I take my pictures, like what I do, now y'all can just watch me take them. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. I think we got some good ones from here. I had to like mess with the angles. So now that I know my angles, I'm gonna clean up this vanity because it is hella like dirty. But yeah. Let me lower you guys because I know you can't really see what I'm doing. So I like how these are coming out. I like have it going through the mirror. So I'm like positioning myself so I can look in the mirror and like be cute. Like, okay, so now what I'm gonna do is clean this area up so all of this shit is not seen. I honestly probably should do that first because there's some pictures in here that I really, really like. And the background ruins it. But I don't want it to look too clean because, you know, when we do our makeup, it's not 1,000% clean. I'm gonna move this because I don't have a lampshade for it yet. So I don't put it in there. It's trash. I'm gonna throw it in the garbage. Okay, this is our last scene. I'm super close to this camera. But this is our last scene. I'm gonna sit here with my Bon Vive drink, and we're just gonna take some cute like we're relaxing. We are relaxing. So with this one, it's a little bit easier for me to hide my remote. I could put it behind my pillow. I could put it behind my head. So we're just gonna snap. But I gotta show my drink. So I think I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Yeah, because now it's about to rain again and I'm pretty much done taking photos for the day. So thank y'all for watching. I hope this has given you guys some type of insight. I'm gonna insert a few of the pictures at the end of this video so that way y'all can see how they actually came out before I post them on the gram. So thanks for watching. I will see y'all in my next upload. Enjoy the rest of your day, night, weekend, month. I'll see y'all next time.